Good morning, everyone. I am Manyata Das of class 9. I study in St. Xavier's High School and I am a student of Shivani Tutorial. So, this is my PowerPoint presentation on the fundamental unit of life, that is the cell. So, this figure is the general structure of the cell, and these are the various organelles of the cell. This is the hierarchy of life. So this is a plant cell and this is an animal cell. So these cells form a tissue which then forms an organ, and together these organs form an organ system, and finally a living thing that carries out all the life functions form an organism. Functions of a cell. So it provides structural support to the body of an organism. It enhances growth in the body. It carries out several life processes such as respiration, reproduction, digestion, etc. And it produces energy in the body. Now these are the parts of a cell. So it includes ribosomes, nucleus, mitochondria, cytoskeleton, Golgi apparatus, rough endoplasmic reticulum, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, plasma membrane, peroxisome, and centrioles. Now this is the division of labor. So there are a number of organelles present inside the cell. So the work is also divided among the different cell organelles. Like suppose the cell membrane, its function is it controls what enters and leaves the cell. Nuclear membrane, it controls what enters and leaves the nucleus. Nucleus it is called the control house of the cell, and it is located in the center of the cell. Next is chromosomes. So it contains the genetic information about the cell and it is located in the nucleus. Endoplasmic reticulum, it helps in transportation. Ribosomes, it helps in protein synthesis, and Golgi bodies, it helps in packaging. Vacuole, it helps in storage. It stores such as water, waste, etc. Lysosomes, it protects the cell from the external environment, and mitochondria, it is the site of cellular respiration and for the production of energy. Discovery of cell. So scientist Robert Hooke is the first man who discovered the cell in the year 1665 by observing the bark of a cork tree with his primitive microscope. Antony van Leeuwenhoek, he discovered free living cells in pond water in the year 1674. Robert Brown, he discovered the nucleus of the cell in the year 1831. Jan Evangelista Purkinje, he coined the term protoplasm for the fluid substance of the cell. Matthias Jakob Schleiden and Theodor Schwann. The cell theory was presented by two biologists, Schleiden in 1838 and Schwann in 1839. Rudolf Virchow, he expanded the cell theory by suggesting that all the cells arise from the pre-existing cells. Now this is the cell theory. First is all the plants and animals are composed of cells. Second is the cell is the basic unit of life. So types of cells. So there are two types of cells, unicellular and multicellular. Unicellular organisms are those which comprise of a single cell, and multicellular organisms are those which comprise of many cells. So these are some of the unicellular organisms which include bacteria, protists, and some algae. And this is multicellular organisms which include humans and plants. Now these are the types of cells in human body. So this is red blood cells, columnar epithelial cells, ovum cell, bone cell, smooth muscle cells, nerve cell, and sperm cell. Now here it represents plants and animal cell. So this is a plant cell and this is an animal cell. So these are the various organelles of the plant cell and these are the various organelles of the animal cell. Now, cell division. So, there are two types of cell division, mitosis and meiosis. Mitosis is the type of cell division in which the cell divides for growth is called mitosis, and the type of cell division in which the cell divides to form gametes which after fertilization give rise to offspring is called meiosis. So this was my presentation on the fundamental unit of life. So this presentation is a tribute to all the great scientists whose enormous efforts has helped us to know many things about the cell and its organelles in detail. So thank you very much. Done by Manyata Das of class 9. Thank you very much.